Hello everybody, welcome to Emmeline's Kitchen. Today I will show you, while unboxing our 12-inch grill pan of Salad Master. So here, as you can see, we gonna unbox. If you want this one guys, you can just message me, comment down below how to get this one. A limited edition, available only on this month of October. See, we have two handles here. And you can grill, you can what do you call this? Everything you can cook with this piece here. See, our 12-inch grill pan of Salad Master. And we have two long and then short handles. The good thing with these handles of Salad Master is transferable, so it's so easy to use. See, our 12-inch grill pan of Salad Master. If you want this one, you can just comment below how to get this. Okay, so let's go cooking.
Ayan, ikot-ikot, galaw-galaw. Okay na, ikot mo. Yung likod, yung harap. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching my video today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye now.